Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Points Prizes, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn free gift cards and cash and withdraw it just by doing obviously certain tasks and free surveys, that sort of thing. Okay, so let's go over to the desktop and we'll go through it, and we're going to do a full Points Prizes review. So without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop and go find out more about Points Prizes. Okay, so we come on to the Points Prizes website. Now, I've actually gone and joined Points Prizes, and we're going to take you inside the website very shortly. What I want to do first, before we do this, Points Prizes have been around for a little while, and if we go across to Trustpilot, it says here they've had 2,300 plus reviews, and they're actually got a rating of great. Okay, they are a verified company as well, and they've registered the domain name ownership to prove that they are the company, and also it has claimed their actual profile. So these are all good things for Points Prizes. However, I'm a little bit concerned, which is why I'm going to need your help as well, guys. Okay, now when I joined Points Prizes, all I did was literally come in here, add in my email address, and agree to the privacy policy. Okay, and that's it. You don't have to actually have a password to actually log into their actual account, which is a little bit worrying to me, because that means that anybody with your email can come on here and plug in your email, and then obviously they're inside your account. Now, it says here that obviously they were founded back in 2016, and obviously it's available in all countries, and you get daily bonuses. And it says here you got 20 plus 20 incredible rewards, including, it says here, PayPal. Okay, you've got Amazon gift cards, things like that. You've got Payoneer, you've got Skrill, there's Netflix, Nintendo, etc. So all the big names. Okay, so why wouldn't you obviously go and join and start doing some tasks to earn points, which means you're then going to be able to get some cash out or some gift cards. So let's jump into the back of Points Prizes and find out a little bit more about how this all works. So as you can see, we've come into my account here, and this is very basic, guys. Okay, so it says here I've got a balance of 34 so far, and that's what I've actually earned. Okay, it says I've spent none, obviously got no chargebacks. Now it's obviously saying here as well, if you want to put a short video on about Points Prizes on TikTok, you can actually get a $10 Amazon gift code. Well, okay, so all you have to do is to request a reward. You click on request reward, and then you submit your video URL. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Okay, just do a small video to actually go and get this $10 Amazon gift code. Okay, so I want you to obviously get your email, head over to the website, sign up with just your email address. It's obviously got to be one that you're going to be able to get access to, because they're going to send you your gift code via the email, I'm presuming. And then I would obviously just try and go and do this and go and do a video. I'm going to do exactly the same and see if I actually get this Amazon $10 Amazon gift code. Okay, so you do the same, and let's see what we can come up with. And it's called a hashtag reward. Okay, that's the first thing. So a simple video for $10 worth of Amazon gift card. Let's just see whether that works. What has been said, and I've seen this around just lately, that people have obviously tried to go and get their rewards. Okay, so if they actually go and click on rewards, now we did have PayPal available, it said on their front of their website, but when you come here, there's no PayPal. But there is Payoneer and there is Bitcoin. So if you clicked on Bitcoin, and it says I've got to actually earn 20,000 points in order to claim this. But what some people are saying is when you hit the 20,000 points, is that this will then become not available. It'll be out of stock. Well, why would Bitcoin be out of stock? So it's very, very strange. Okay, and the same with Skrill. So again, at the moment, Skrill 2,000 points. You can get this by getting to 2,000 points. So what I'm going to go and do is going to try and get to 2,000 points. But as you can see so far, I haven't taken any surveys or anything like that, but let's just go and show you how you can actually earn these points. But another mysterious thing is, let's go back to my balance, and I was on 34. Now I'm on 39. Now I haven't actually done anything. All I've done is just go and click on a few buttons. Okay, so if we go to earn, these are the networks, and these are all common networks that are in paid to sites, AdGate Media, Lootably, Offertura, all these things. The one thing that it does say here, earn passively, okay, and this is a new one that they say add, and this says download Supernova. It's going to run in your on the back of your computer, and you're supposed to be able to get 500 points for this, but I would avoid doing that at the moment until we've done a little bit more digging, because I'm a little bit skeptical of how easy it is just literally to download this. And then it says obviously it's going to be running on your computer in the background. You just don't know what you're downloading at the moment. Although this looks and seems like a legit site, been going 6 years, and I've got all these wonderful reviews on PointsPrizes. On Trustpilot, there are some things that obviously do really add up. Okay, so I need to do a little bit more investigation, and with your help, you can do this as well. You can go and just test it out, do certain things, and see whether you're actually going to get paid. And I'll leave a link in the description below here, and it is an affiliate link. It's the link they ask you to obviously refer people, and that's the link here. So let's just see what happens when we do a joint investigation into PointsPrizes and see whether you can really earn cash and gift cards easily with PointsPrizes. And like I say, this is only a quick video today. We're going to come back in a short while and find out whether we have had payment proof. And if you haven't already noticed, I've just came away and clicked on a couple of buttons, come back, and I've now earned 47 points. So I say there is something weird going on here, guys, that doesn't obviously sit very right. So although they have got all these things, we need to find out more. So let's come back in a few days' time and see exactly what we've actually got. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for me. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.